All right. Hi, guys. It's Petra James here. As you can see, I am currently at work. I wanted to answer the questions that we were assigned for our introductory module. Sorry. I'm gonna go. I had Blackboard up here. I'm gonna go to Blackboard. Wait while my module loads. I'm going to get my questions from Blackboard, and then I'll show you something that I have on my computer. I don't know exactly what I want to show just yet, but I do have a really good idea. So. Okay, so we'll go down to the reading class and go into our introductory module. Questions are here. I am getting my degree in education because it's the only way I can continue to do what I love to do. It's the only way I can continue to do what I believe I was born to do. Um, Although I feel I have had my fill of schooling at this point, every bit of education I have received has helped me to become a better teacher for my students. So it's a plus. Technology makes me Technology makes me cool. For my students, anytime I incorporate a video or plug some tips or notes in to Google Classroom for them or put anything up on the smart board, they're instantly engaged. They know that my material is going to be something that gets them revved up and ready to learn. So technology makes me cool. My kids think I'm super cool. So technology only raises my level of coolness. I live in beautiful Fayetteville, North Carolina. When I think of elementary literacy, I think of the Three Little Pigs. That's my initial thought. I love reading, so any reading is good. Any genre of reading is good. When I think, the best thing about being a pirate is definitely the online courses. I am so appreciative for the convenience of online courses. It's allowed me to continue to live the very busy life that I have, as well as better myself. So, additionally, you should know that I am currently a sixth grade ELA and social studies teacher at Westover Middle School. I'm also the cheer coach, and I'm on the sit team. A lot of stuff. So, what I'll show you on my computer, I can show you these videos. I have a lot of videos. I've been taking courses, of course, with ECU. I'm taking my final 2 classes right now, and I've had to make a lot of videos of my teaching and my students. So, that's some. We'll stop that. Also, here's a poster I made in another class. We had to put like our motto for our classroom, and so it says, Miss Petra James, ELA Social Studies, Room 103. We enter to learn, we leave to achieve. So, and then at the bottom, what we always say to each other, we will win, we will win, we will win. And that's really all I have to share. I hope you enjoyed, and I look forward to the rest of the course. Thank you.